Let's continue from where we stop. Now let's see this. Okay, let's see this. Now I'm asking, see what I'm asking now here. Let's go for the example. Give me different prompt on how to write proposal to different company with example each. Now from here they give us 10 prompts here. Now the number one here is a solar power solution prompt. Write a professional business proposal offering solar or hybrid power solution to a company experiencing electricity problem in Nigeria. Now example, Joy Digital Service propose a hybrid energy solution designed to provide stable electricity for your organization. This system will combine solar panel, batteries, storage, and generator integrated, reduce fuel costs. So now this prompt, now we can copy it. You can copy it and paste it. Let's see what it will give us. You see what it's doing? Now this is a business proposal, solar or hybrid power solution. Now prepared by so. My address, everything about me, the date, or inside the date. Then they prepare for the company. Let's say Arise a team or Arise a company. Then executive summary. Look at what is the challenge the company is facing. Now look at what they are even is recommending for them, and then how they want to implement the plan, then the benefit the company will. Now this is it. Then at the end of it all, call for action. That's the next step. We will appreciate the opportunity to meet with your management team to conduct a detailed energy assessment, present a technical and financial plan, answer any question, and finalize the project scope. Use it. Put my address there and everything. We look forward to helping your company achieve a reliable, sustainable, and cost-efficient energy solution. You see? That's all. So let's go and see another example, another prompt, because it gave us about 10. That one is for energy. What about if it's a computer? What about if it's a digital company? Now let's copy this prompt and write a business. You see it? I'm still the one that writing it. You see it? So everything. Now you can copy it to your Word and do whatever adjustment you want to do there. You already have what you need. You see it? So it's also what we have. Then if you want it to include your logo, you can add it from here, because today I'm using free version. If I paid, I'll be able to use it as well, because they say by 10 to 11 now, that's when I will have other access to use create image or whatever. So that is how you can do this. So it's very interesting, and if you have any question, you can let me know.